Hello, this here is possibly a start of new project, or at least the roughing out of the general idea of and bounds of a new project. This here possibly going to be either just a frequency counter or a combination frequency counter, programmable timer, and clock synthesizer of some type stuff there. So basically, some general layout. The heart of it is going to be a 1 gigahertz prescaler and an 8254 3-stage programmable counter. Right now I've got an 8253 as a placeholder now, but it will probably be replaced by an 8254. And a switching matrix to control the inputs to the programmable counter, which comprises of 3 8-to-1 data selectors, the brains of the unit, EEPROM that the control program goes on, the address latch, and other glue logic stuff. For the basic frequency counter function, I really only need this, the programmable counter, and the 1 gig prescaler. While if I'm going with a programmable timer stuff, the switching matrix will allow me to have the whole setup reconfigurable from the software, and that way I can program in different timing modes and stuff to allow me to generate or control different timing functions depending on how I have the timers and clock sources configured. Also, to throw into the mix, I have a couple VCOs, voltage controlled oscillators, that I'm thinking about throwing one in the mix. That way I can use the programmable counter to feed a phase lock loop, so I can use the setup as a clock synthesizer or generator, clock doubler, or whatever, depending on how I have the software reconfigure everything stuff. But that's what I'm generally contemplating, one way or the other, what I'm going to throw on and what I'm not going to throw on. And depending on that, I've also been kind of looking at which CPU family I should use. Either a Ziggulag Z80, Z84, which is right here, or Motorola 6800 series, or one of their derivatives. I'll stick with the 8051 as the derivative. I'll go older school style with a 8048. Or we'll go old school and go an 8085 and use that, because if I'm just going with a frequency counter function, well, even with the other functions, I can pretty much do all the control with an 8085 with no RAM. Just use the registers for doing the data manipulation and pushing it out to display. For this function, RAM is really not needed. As much to the chagrin of all the C coders out there, no, RAM is not really needed for basic stuff. like this. The registers are plenty enough room to do the calculation. I could really go old school and do 8080, which is the predecessor to the 8085. This one here I think was made in 79. The 8085 in question, which I got a bunch of these, is made in 76. So it's been around a while. Either that, I could just go the exact opposite way and go massive overkill and build a frequency counter with a Pentium processor on it. Massive overkill, but it'd be entertaining nonetheless. Oh well. But all in all, that gives you a basic idea of next on the chopping block here. Possible projects. As I said, I ain't exactly roughed out fully which way it's gonna go, but that's a general gist of things. Take care. See you later.